So guys, I have a poetry for 27th of March 2014. As the cold wind blows. Winter has arrived, it has brought joy to my life, and as the cold wind blows, I get a shiver in my bones. I watch the sailing clouds go by, I watch the twittering birds in the sky, and as the cold wind blows again, I notice that it has started to rain. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and comments please on my video if you like it. I'll try more poetry. This was a poetry from my childhood. Have a great day, guys, and thanks once more. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.